This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Ooh, this one's real similar to what we did before. Try it yourself. Can you pick corn at the end too? Oh, look, they had a little hook thing. So what I like to do first is I know I'm probably going to need a repeat block because one, it seems like they only want us to use one direction block each, and we can only use 6 blocks. But regardless, I'm just going to throw some stuff down here to test it. So it looks like I need to go south, and actually let me just step through that already. And I know it's mad at me, but I like to see it on the screen. It helps me build the program. South. Okay, so obviously I missed the corn. And this is what I do. Sometimes I only add one block at a time and hit run, because it's really easy to catch mistakes when you only have one new block. Okay, so that's working. So let's go south again. And I think I'm going to want to pick corn. And then it looks like south. And pick some corn. Let's see what this gets us. Yeah, so this is going to be similar to last one, I think, as long as it's the same amount of spaces. So let's add one more of these. And run. South, pick corn, south, pick corn, south, pick corn, south, pick corn. Okay, and hopefully you're yelling at your computer because you're like, wait a minute, there's repeats. And if there's repeat code, we could probably use a repeat block, right? I would still 2 more times now need to go south and pick corn. So look, south pick corn, south pick corn, south pick corn, south pick corn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. And how many more times would I need to go south and pick corn? 2 more times. So that would be 6 total. So instead of writing all this or blocking it all, we can just use a repeat. And this should make us go south, pick corn 6 times. It goes south, pick corn, hits the bottom, zoop. South, pick corn, hits the bottom, zoop. Let's test it. Yep, and that got us there. And now what's really great, you can see it paused here, and then when we were done, if we had code below this, after it runs 6 times, after it does all this code, it would run any code beneath it. Well, what could we do? I think we'd want to go east and pick corn. So only this runs 6 times. Once that runs 6 times, it's over. It drops below, and we should go east and pick some corn. Let's test. Awesome. Repeats are super handy. Let's keep going.